Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Microsoft Azure subscription. All right. Just go ahead over to portal.azure.com. Now, once you're in here, click on these three horizontal lines. Click on it. Now go ahead over to all services. Okay. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to go to the search function and to click on it. Now go ahead and type in subscriptions. Once you have it located, just go ahead, click on it and wait for it to load. Now in here, I'm just going to click on Azure subscription. All right. Now this one loads. What we're going to do in here is just go ahead and review everything. All right. And here we have the subscription name, the rate, cost by resource. All right. So once you have everything checked, just go ahead and hit on cancel subscription right here. Click on it. Now you will be landed to this page. All right. So you'll need to fill in the reason for cancellation. Just click on the drop down. All right. And select the reason. Now it will ask you to turn off your resources. Just click on the tick box and just click on cancel subscription. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.